Hi, it's me, Josephine, and today I'm making sort of a second part of the Waldorf animals, the chickens. Okay, so here I have my fancy wool again, my fancy cotton wool. And last time I got a bunch of questions. How many loops do I make? How big am I making them? And I used to make them bigger and I'm making them smaller now because I want them to fit with the size of the Ostheimer animals. So that's what I'm going to do now. And that is pretty easy, pretty simple. So if you don't know how to knit it all, then you might want to watch the other video first or a different video. But I'm going to show you, just if you're a little more advanced, how to make this size really quick. So first of all, I take 8 loops on my needle. Here they are. And then I just knit only the right ones. So it's pretty easy, pretty simple. It's actually exactly like in the other video what I made before, but small. Very, very small. Because last time I made it very big so everybody can see well what I'm doing. And this time I'm just making it small so it actually fits to the toys what we already have. And makes fun playing with and makes more sense when you look at the toys with the sizing, because I was really not very happy with that. All the different sizes, nothing makes sense. The chickens as big as a sheep, and yeah, no, that was kind of weird. Because I really like to have only a specific amount of toys, not really a specific amount, but an amount of toys where you can clean up nice and easy and you don't have this issues that it looks like a mess and it's overwhelming for parents and children. And that is why I really like to have the toys be not just open, and it's also match with each other, so you can actually kind of play with everything whatever you want at the same time, the way you want to. And it doesn't have to be like a massive monster chicken that comes to destroy the city or whatever. That was just the first that came in my mind now. So, too much fantasy. Yeah, bad of parents. So like you see, I don't count at all. I only count those 8 at the beginning, and then I just don't count. I just knit. And as soon as I have a certain length where I am able to do so, I will make my move to check on the size, what I will show you in a little bit. But right now that's just way too short. I do have to do a few more rows here. I get also a bunch of questions where I got this cotton wool from. And this one here was actually not very expensive. That is from Walmart. But of course you can also use more expensive materials like nice wool. This is just what we still have at home, and I really like how the chickens look like with this colors. Now you see everything is getting longer. I am trying to make, I forgot the English word. In German it's Quadrat. It's not cube. Where was it? Yeah, I think I have sometimes too many languages in my head. Getting sometimes a little confused. So what I do to check how much more I need for the length is I lay this corner or one of those corners directly underneath the needle and see how much space I have down there. I hope you can see. And since this should have at the end all the same length, see, okay, I need a little bit more. But it's important to remember that when you end it, then you, of course, make it a little bit longer again. So just keep that in mind so you know when there is the really right moment to do so. And of course, depending on how you hold it, it can stretch. So for me, I have here just a tiny little bit left now. That is the absolute perfect and right moment for me to do so. So I'm gonna end this now. And here is the cube. And then it's exactly like in the other video, what I will link over there. You sew it on the sides together, and then you go through with the needle like this to give it this certain shape, and you give it the red parts. Okay, I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. Give this video a thumbs up. You would help my channel so much to grow. And feel free to leave me a comment down below. How you liked it and what do you think about that size, and did it fit well? Was it the perfect size for your animals, or did you like it a little bigger, smaller? What is the perfect measurement for you? How many of those loops do you take, and with what tie does it work together? And feel free to also share this video with everybody you feel like they should know how to make those butter chickens. Okay, I wish you a beautiful time. Thank you very much for watching, and I see you in my next video. Goodbye!